Alright guys, Georgia Jim. Got a Clavis here. This is a 10-pin lock. I have no idea the model number. If I ever find out, I'll update the video title. Alright, I haven't gutted it, picked it, just opened the box. Found these on eBay and snatched them up. One, two, three, four, one. There we go. Alrighty. See, that's picked. Locked it back up. I have no idea how hard this will be to gut. I'm hoping easy. Since this is a Clavis and we don't have to drill hardened pins out, we're already ahead of the game. Oh, Jesus. I spoke too soon. Come on. It's gotta come all the way out. Of course, I did no prep work. All right, man, that is unnecessarily tight. Okay, these don't look to be too bad to get out. See if we can push on that. It's got a nice little gap. Look. There we go. All right. So this is the right side. One, two, three, four, five. Let me turn that down just a little bit. Okay. That's the driver from 2. Okay, no, that's the driver from 1. I mean, key pin from 1. Key pin from 2, okay. 3, 4, 5. Let's see if we can get this one off just as easy. Yeah. All right. At least this is not a brutally difficult lock to gut. One, two, 3, 4, 5. Get that screw out of the way. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See if we can get this off so we can look at the core. Let's see if there's any overmilling. Will that get in there? Trying to get that little ring. This is probably not the best tool to use, but come on out of there. There we go. Nope. We got that part out. We're halfway there. All right. And no overmilling or anything special. Just 10 pins. All the drivers are spools. Not too terrible of a pick. So there's the Clavis, whatever it is, 10-pin lock. All right, guys, thanks for watching.